This is Elliot Schlissel. I hope you're having a nice day. Today we're going to talk about misconceptions regarding who needs a will. It is often stated to me that I am not rich enough to have a will. My response is, oh really? Do you have a car, a home, bank accounts, a pension, 401k, or life insurance? If you do, you are not too poor to have a will. May end up being worth more at the time of your death than you realize. In addition to the distributing of your assets, a will allows you to name an individual to raise your children as a guardian in the event you should die. What a will does is it allows you to control your assets, your personal papers, your sentimental items, and look out for your children's best interests in the event neither you or the other parent is available to raise your children. By failing to write a will, the state of New York determines who raises your children, who receives your assets. The misconception that I don't need a will and that my spouse receives all my assets when I die may not be true. Only those assets that are in joint names will go to your spouse. Any asset not in joint names will not necessarily go to your spouse. If you die without a will in the state of New York, it is said you die intestate. Under the laws in the state of New York, your spouse will receive the first $50,000 and 1/2 of the balance of your estate. Your children will inherit the rest of your estate if you have children. An issue you should consider before you decide not to write a will is whether your spouse has the financial ability to handle your assets in the event of your death. If you write a will, you can name someone to help your spouse deal with these issues. A second misconception is, I'll write my own will, I don't need a lawyer. There are some do-it-yourself kits on the internet. Unfortunately, the state of New York has very specific requirements with regard to what needs to be in a will, how it is phrased, and how it needs to be executed. If any aspect of this is done incorrectly, the will be considered invalid. A bad will is worse than no will at all. Improperly drafted wills or improperly executed wills will lead to litigation that is very costly. Many of these general forms or will kits are not specifically designed to meet the requirements of executing and preparing a will in the state of New York. You will find that wills are not expensive. For peace of mind, hire a lawyer and write a will. This is Elliot Schlissel signing off.